Yeah, once again, good evening, friends. Let's welcome to my channel. And today, my topic is very interesting for the person who are working in industry and they are dealing with pupils. Because the title of this presentation is Nine Principles to Make People Like You, or you can say Nine Rules to Make People Like You. The rule number one is first I will discuss why for whom this video is important. This video is important for those person who are dealing with people, whether it may be sales, business, they may be HR who are having their employees. For everyone it is useful. Here though the principle number one is don't criticize, condemn or complain. Criticize or condemns are basically synonyms, but criticize, as you know, to criticize someone, and condemn basically to find, to show or suggest, to show or suggest somebody is guilty. So this is the basic meaning of condemn here. And or complain to, you should not complain about ourselves. So this is the one. This is the you should do it like this. Now the second principle is give honest, sincere appreciation. You should always give a sincere appreciation to your colleague, to your employee. This will make you like to those people. And third point is arouse in the other person or eager want. You should arouse in other person or eager want, that you should do. Then fourth principle is become genuinely interested in other people. You should show genuinely interest to other people. And the principle five, you should be smile like just like this. So that should you should do. Then principle six is there. Remember that a person name is so that person is the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Just I will give you example of it. Suppose you have, I think you are not clear, understand the clear meaning. You should always call the person by its name. Suppose, for example, I am giving. You can say, sir, many people we are meeting first time or second time. How can we recall a name? I am because I am I am from farm industry, so I will give you some example of farm industry only. Like suppose medical representative there who is meeting chemist who just joined in the industry and he is meeting a chemist daily. He is meeting 7 to 8 10 chemists he is meeting, and suppose he is a fresher also, he doesn't met earlier. The first time he will meet, definitely he will ask the name of the person he should ask. Then he should write down his name in his pocket diary, because once he go for a second time he should not once again call like bhaiya, are bhaiya suno, ऐसा he should call him by his name. So he should write in a diary. And second time is go, suppose you are forgetting a name, so you can, before entering into his canvas, you can see in diary what is the name of this person, and you call by its name. And I believe you, I promise you, when you go for a third time, you need not to ask and you need not to see the diary before entering into his canvas, because you will automatically you will get a name is in his mind, in your mind. So practice this, it will really help you. Then principle number 7, be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. You should be a very good listener. You should also, it's not you just talk about yourself only. You doesn't listen to others. You should give opportunity to others to speak about them. They should speak about themselves. And the principle number 8 is talk in terms of other person interest. You should talk. Generally, what happens, we talk about ourselves only. We don't about other. So people get bored also from you. So you should talk other people interest, what they are liking, what is there. Then the ninth principle is very simple. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. You should make other person very sincere, feel important and do it sincerely. It should not be just for you are doing it as the sake of doing. It should be by inner sights. Okay, so definitely this is the point. If you practice in your business, your if you have a company or you are a boss or you are a team which you are having a team of 10 to 15 people, then you should do it like this. Definitely this will help you. So practice it. And thank you very much. This is all for this video, and we will meet you in another video, another interesting topic. If you like this video, please share and you can subscribe my channel also. Thank you very much.